morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be studying about gender, right? That is he and she. Like he is for the masculine and she is for the feminine. So let's just begin with this chapter. Now, the title of our chapter is the noun, that is gender. You have to write the names of your friends under suitable heads. Like male friends आपके कौन है, female, उनके नाम आप लिख दीजिए. So the he nouns, they are the males, or you can say they are masculine gender. मतलब he वाले जो लोग होंगे वो हमारे लिए क्या होंगे, males होंगे, and they are masculine gender, right? And the she nouns, they are the females, और वो female है इसलिए वो feminine gender होंगे, right? You just read the following sentences. The first is boy. आप देख सकते हैं ये boy है, ये एक girl है, right? This is a man and she is a woman, right? Now the nouns under the column A, जो under column A है, boy और man, they denote the male person. ये कौन है, ये male है, so hence they are known as males, or you can say muscular gender. Whereas the words which denotes the male, जो कि हमें डिनोट करते हैं मेल्स को और ही वर्ड्स को, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर. उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर. द नाउन्स अंडर द कॉलम बी, जो बी के कॉलम में होते हैं, जिनको हम गर्ल और वुमेन बोलते हैं, दे डिनोट दी फीमेल, जो कि आप देख सकते हैं ऊपर गर्ल और हमने वुमेन पढ़े हैं, पर्सन. हेंस दे आर नोन एज मेल्स, और यू कैन से फेमाइन जेंडर, और उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं, फेमाइन जेंडर बोलते हैं. Thus we can say the words which denote the males and she words, males और she words होते हैं, they are called the feminine gender. उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं, feminine gender, right? So you will be learning the masculine gender as well as the female gender respectively. देखिए grandfather का क्या है, grandmother है, right? son का daughter, right? uncle, aunt मतलब हमारी मासी और हम लोग के उनके husband, right? nephew भतीजा, और ये कौन हो गई, हमारी भतीजी, niece. king का queen, right? cock का hen, we all know this. lion का lioness, hero का heroine, right? dog का witch, right? poet का poetess, fox का vixen, we all know this. father का mother, husband का wife, right? brother का sister, sir, madam, prince का princess, peacock, then it's peahen, male peacock, इट्स मेल मोर को हम बोलेंगे पीकॉक, फीमेल को हम बोलेंगे पीहन. टाइगर का इट्स टाइग्रेस, मैन का वुमेन, राइट? हॉर्स का मेयर, राइट? गॉड का गॉडेस, एंड लास्ट वन इज मास्टर का मिस्ट्रेस, राइट? A quick recap, he words for you, they are used for masculine gender, or you can say male, whereas she is used for the feminine, or you can say females. Moving on to the exercise, we'll be doing the correct answers. The he words, they are used for whom? They are used for masculine, right? And she words used for feminine. This is a masculine noun, masculine hai, that will be bull or cock. It will be both of these, right? And this is a feminine gender, that is horse ka mare, to mare ho gaya, right? You have to write down the feminine. man ka woman, boy ka girl, uncle का aunt, husband का we all know it's wife, nephew का niece, cock का hen, fox का vixen, brother sister, right? hero का heroine, and dog का bitch. So that was all about a chapter about genders. Please go through this, go revise it, and keep studying hard for your exam, and stay blessed and keep happy all the time, and make sure that you are studying very properly at your places. And thank you.